Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. So friends, in this picture we can see two farmers coming back from the field with straw bales. So here I will show you how to draw the basic structure of this human figure. At first, we will draw an oval shape for the head. Now we will draw an inverted glass for the body. Here we will draw another inverted glass in this way. Now we will complete the basic drawing of hands and legs. So our basic structure is completed. Now we will draw the whole figure. Our first figure is completed. Now we will complete the second figure in the same way. Finally, our figure drawing is completed. Now come to the background. Here we will draw a simple village scenery very easily. Here also we can see a cornfield with full of golden paddy. So finally our drawing is completed. Now let's focus on the color. Here we can see that light is coming from left side of this picture. So obviously we have to apply the dark color in the right side. I mean the opposite direction of the light. So we have to follow the same process in the whole picture. Following this process, you can draw different types of a natural scenery very easily. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us and take care and bye bye.